Hello everyone, look how fucking high we are. There's Mark. Mark. These are the stairs. Train thingy, train tracks. Train will be coming soon now.
I'm safe now, look.
You're safe? You're never safe. Dun dun dun. Why are you shaking it, dude? Seriously? Alright. Yeah, I'll pass this down to you. We walk from the train tracks, everyone, over there. Construction workers. Possibly. We're not allowed to be in here. Staring at us, yes. $200, $500 fine. For each of us will be caught like staring right at us. The fuck you are! The fuck you are! What? Anyone that's watched this that lives in Pleasanton, this is right by PMS. This is the this construction that's been going on. As you can see, there's a little park over there, if you can see it. Like a little baseball field here. Maybe possibly construction workers. Some dirt. That's just about it. And Mark. We're building Mark into here.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Bill Nye, the science guy. Oh shit. Is that dude gay?
What?
Is that dude gay? Want to turn back and leave, or you want to take the chance to go over there?
Let's not. Let's just go to Rayleigh's and buy some monster.
Dude, there's a Jack in the Box right down. I mean, a gas station right down there.
The big slide, dude.
No, not right now. Not today.
Oh, well,
It's 5:38.
Oh, never mind. Call Mike, dude.
If we go down there, dude, there's a gas station. We can just get monsters and rock stars there. Right down the street. To be continued.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, everyone. Oh, shit. What the hell's wrong with the camera? Oh, yes. Supposed to come on.
What?
No.
There.
No! Trespassing.
I'm not sure if they read that easy.
No.
It's blurry, watch.
No trespassing!
And an amp.
That's where we just came from. Everyone in Pleasanton. Over towards that way is the middle school.
Me want more amp.
No more amp.
Go bye-bye.
Goodbye. You just littered on your own town. That's cold.
It's not my town. Oh, God.
We just got past looking mighty awful suspicious.
Oh, we're trespassing. We're from Mexico. We got swine flu. Oh, shit.
We got swine flu.
Oh, shit. Go away, go.
Is this enough for a video?
Probably.
Goodbye for now. Wow.